Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your form better in Quadrobics. We'll start by understanding the foundational elements that contribute to a strong and efficient Quadrobics practice. Mastering these basics is key to unlocking more advanced movements and preventing common issues. Pay close attention to your body's alignment and muscle activation from the very beginning. A strong core is the powerhouse of Quadrobics. Actively engaging your abdominal muscles provides stability and control, allowing for smoother transitions. Simultaneously, maintaining a neutral spine is paramount. Imagine a straight line from your head to your tailbone. This alignment protects your back and optimizes your power transfer. Always keep your gaze slightly ahead, not directly down. Proper limb placement is critical for both efficiency and safety. Ensure your hands are positioned directly beneath your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips, creating a stable base. When moving, push off powerfully using your toes to generate forward momentum. Upon landing, aim to absorb the impact softly through the balls of your feet, minimizing stress on your joints. Consistent, deliberate practice is the ultimate key to refining your Quadrobics form. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused training each day, concentrating on the techniques we've discussed. Integrate targeted drills to strengthen specific muscle groups or improve particular movements. A powerful tool for improvement is recording yourself. Watching playback allows you to objectively identify and correct any subtle form imperfections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.